Oh, thank you so much to that double play. We started it with Carly Rae Jepsen. She gave us Call Me Maybe. She was then followed by Mpumi featuring a Professor MfokaLanga. Wow, this song, Mpumi featuring a Professor MfokaLanga, it reminds me of the event that I attended last weekend down in KwaZulu-Natal in a Bamshela area, to be exact, a newspaper. Wow, what a great event. What a successful event that it was. Congratulations are in order for the lady of the moment. That is uThapsile Nzama Umathawu. Wow, siyakubongela kakhulu sisters. Wow, things are so falling into place. It was so nice to get to see all the relatives that I haven't seen for a long time, the likes of Osmanga, Osandile, Nonhlanhla, Ophume, Majab. My siblings, obviously, about Paga, about Nosipho, and you name them, the list is so endless. Nabomfundo, talking of Mfundo. How can I forget when he took the stage and did that traditional dance, which got everyone noticing him. Wow, it was a great event indeed last weekend in Friday. This song, Mpumi, featuring a Professor MfokaLanga, it was definitely the toss of the day. It got everyone singing along to it. The whole marquee at some stage was up singing along and dancing to this song, MfokaLanga. Oh, congratulations. This is a great gem indeed. Diving straight to cricket, this time around we are talking Indian Premier League. We look at the game that took place last night. That is when Rajasthan Royals took on the current table toppers and the defending champions. That is Gujarat Titans. Royals, they won the toss and elected to bat first. That decision that backfired in a very, very big way, because the Royals, they went on to only register a mere 118 runs, and they were bowled out within 18 overs. The defending champions, Gujarat Titans, and the current log leaders, they were so ruthless last night. They said, hell no, there's no way that you Royals, you can be bowled out within 18 overs and expect us to struggle to overhaul that mere 118 runs for the win. They did that in style. They went on and just cruise to that win. They did that with easy 9 wickets win. And as if that's not good enough, they went on. That game was finished, or they overhauled the score within 14 overs. Surely that is a thrashing and a half. That's how ruthless the defending champions, Gujarat Titans, are. They won the game within 14 overs. Great work indeed by the defending champions. Surely they have sent a signal out there and say, hey, you can catch us if you can. By the look of things, it looks like Gujarat Titans, they might go all the way and defend their trophy that they won last season with so much ease, because by the look of things, they seem to be finding the going very, very easy for them indeed. Looking at today's features, we see Chennai Super Kings, aka CSK, they're hosting Mumbai Indians. Venue is MA Chi Dambarame Stadium in Chennai. First ball is scheduled to be bowled at 12 p.m. this afternoon, which makes it just mere 19 minutes left before that first ball is bowled in Chennai. That's why CSK take on Mumbai Indians. Talking of Mumbai Indians, don't forget, in that team, there is a youngster. That is definitely the one for the future. That is the one to watch. Who else? That is Arjun Tendulkar. That is the son of the legend Sachin Tendulkar. But he excels with the ball in hand, not like his father. He doesn't excel. He's not that much sharp with the bat in hand. He's the specialist. He's a bowling specialist. So he's very, very dangerous with the ball in hand. We remember that his father, Sachin Tendulkar, yes, he wasn't that bad when it comes to bowling, but that was not his specialty. His specialty was with the bat in hand. But his son decided to specialize with the ball in hand. So don't forget, when CSK take on Mumbai Indians, don't forget to look out for that boy, Arjun Tendulkar. And then that game will be followed by Delhi Capitals as they face off with Royal Challengers Bangalore. Venue is Feroz Shah Khalsa in Delhi. First ball scheduled to be bowled at 4 p.m. this afternoon. And then tomorrow, the log leaders and the defending champions, Gujarat Titans, welcome the second placed Lucknow Super Giant. Venue is Sardar Patel Stadium in Ahmedabad. First ball scheduled to be bowled also at 12 p.m. That is tomorrow afternoon. The last game for the weekend will see Rajasthan Royals entertaining the struggling Sunrisers Hyderabad. Venue is Sawai Masing Stadium in Jaipur. First ball is scheduled to be bowled at 4 p.m. I must definitely say that Sunrisers Hyderabad will remember that we are represented there by that our own Proteas T20 captain, that is in the foremanship of Aiden Makram. I must say they are definitely find the going very tough for them in as far as IPL is concerned. It is definitely not easy for them. Sunrisers Hyderabad, they are really struggling. If my memory serves me well, I believe they are second from the bottom. Surely that is bad news indeed in as far as Sunrisers Hyderabad are concerned. But David Miller, Killer Miller, is having a jolly good time with his Gujarat Titans troops.
Ever heard a baby bellow at the top of its lungs in a public place, far from your best music track, right? For a more beautiful note, contact Nirvana Sounds for your